Okay, I want to show you how easy it is to find the center of any square. If you had this square on your quilt, maybe, you know, it's patchwork, of course, then with this bullseye, you can bring this over on top of that square, and you can look and see which circle, or even in between the circles, but you can get it centered there just perfectly. There we go. It looks like that 8 is just perfect. Bring your machine over to the center down this slit, and then in needle positioner you can just put your needle down, and then you have found the exact center of that square without using a tape measure or worrying about any of that. Now, the other tool that you can use for that, of course, would be any of the bullseye circles. Now, these are also a circle that you can use to go around as part of your tool. So let's see, you could use the big one. You can see there's like 1 inch out from each side of that. There we go. I could use that to find the center. Or this one is a 7 inch and it's just perfect in there. So I could find the center using that one. And let's do that. Let's find the center using this one. Let's get it right on there, perfect like that. And just put our needle down there, and again, we're right in the center. Now, we could also, using that center, move this right there, and I know that that's perfectly centered because I can see my dot there. And then you see I can use this as a circle. And just follow it around. Just very carefully remove and move my hand over like that. When I get to this point, I will just turn the circle around like that, and then I'll just meet up with my stitches there and do my little security stitches, and there I have placed a perfect circle inside of that square. Okay, now let's say I wanted to put another circle. I wanted concentric circles there. So I can see where that point was where I put my needle. So I'm going to put this right in here, and I can see that's exactly where I had put my needle. And so again, I can come to the outside. Let's just do another one, just to show you how easy it would be to do concentric circles and be centered on each one of them. When you're using these tools, make sure that you have your clamps on tight, because your quilt can move with you. There we go. We just move those around like that and just kind of go a couple of stitches past where we started, do some little stitches, and then there we go. So now we have, see how easy you can decorate or quilt your squares that you have on your quilt.